Hey guys, Andrew Fryer here with MarineMax Baltimore, checking out our brand new 2021 Scout 215 XSF. First thing off the bat is the beautiful Mercury 200 Verado. Great power plant for this boat, gets up on plane quick and scoots right across the water. Notice we have a nice starboard entry to get in and out of the boat easily. And then obviously that takes us right into the nice transom seat that we have here. Very nice, folds up if you need more room back here to do fishing, or if you're taking people on board, have that nice seating in the transom. Notice live well back here with raw water, great feature to have. As we move to where the action happens on the boat here at the helm, notice we have bolsters that flip down, along with a nice Garmin screen and analog gauges just in case. Digital shift and throttle on this boat for this Mercury 200 Verado. Nice, smooth, easy in and out to forward and reverse. It's very nice to have. Notice we're gonna have a nice storage area down here, and this is where we'll access all the batteries as well. As we move to the final portion of the boat, notice the black powder coated handrails. That's part of the Scout's new thing called Midnight Edition. Takes all of the handrails and the hardtop supports and things like that, powder coats them black to give it a real sleek new edge look to it. We have a nice U-shaped seating up here in the bow with a nice lounger right in front of the helm seat. To finish off the boat, we have a nice anchor locker as well. This is our Scout 215 XSF 2021. Stop by our store, give us a call. We'd love to show you the boat.